The overlooked exit, turning departures into an advantage. Most organizations obsess over hiring and developing talent. They celebrate new hires, invest in growth, and talk endlessly about engagement. But when someone leaves, they shake hands, throw a farewell lunch, and move on. And that's a costly oversight, because the exit phase, the moment when experience, trust, and knowledge walk out the door, is one of the most expensive and least managed parts of the talent cycle. Replacing a single employee can cost anywhere from 25% to 500% of their annual salary. That's up to $500,000 for a senior leader. But beyond money, you lose momentum, memory, and the subtle chemistry that keeps teams performing. The truth is, talent exits aren't endings. They're transitions. Handled well, they preserve knowledge and strengthen culture. Handled poorly, it's like tearing out key pages from your company's playbook. Problem number 1: knowledge gaps and disruptions. When people leave without transferring what they know, it's like trying to run a machine with missing gears. Sherman's research found 75% of professionals view knowledge transfer as critical, yet only 9% of organizations feel ready to do it well. The fix? Don't rely on last-minute handoffs or binders no one reads. Adopt an apprenticeship mindset. Have the departing employee and their successor work side by side before the handoff. Tacit knowledge transfers best through practice, not PowerPoint. And beware the curse of knowledge. Experts forget what it's like not to know. So teach successors to ask why and how questions. What researchers call elaborative interrogation. It turns instruction into real understanding. Finally, capture stories, not just steps. Encourage video diaries or storytelling sessions about lessons learned and challenges faced. People remember stories far longer than spreadsheets. Problem number 2: weak succession. Planning. Succession planning isn't about naming replacements, it's about building readiness. Yet only 14% of organizations say they do it well. Great companies run leadership labs, rotating high-potential employees through real projects and departments long before a vacancy appears. It's adaptive succession planning, a talent pipeline that's always moving and aligned with strategy. Think of it as leadership insurance, not for if someone leaves, but when. Problem number 3: forgotten alumni networks. When employees leave, they don't vanish, unless you let them. Your alumni network is a goldmine of advocacy, referrals, and innovation. Up to 80% of jobs are filled through networking. That makes your alumni your most credible recruiters and brand ambassadors. Keep them close through newsletters, alumni spotlights, and mentoring programs. Invite them back to share insights or collaborate on projects. Each touchpoint acts like spaced repetition, keeping your organization top of mind. And when people feel valued even after leaving, they often return, with new skills, ideas, and connections. The takeaway: talent exits don't have to mean loss. They can become a competitive advantage if you design them that way. Document less, demonstrate more, ask better questions, capture stories. Keep your alumni close, because the best companies don't just build great careers, they build legacies that outlast the org chart.